Michio bia nde mena na busum kase ma pie Northern Culture TV. Mebe chire asam kakrama di omunim ena di omunim a omo dawote. Nde mena na busum kase ma pie Northern Culture TV se mebe chire oduro asam kakra ema nimpa. Nda mitena hanu de nti na me baha no Northern Culture Television for ena baha se omudi me be pie amanfo be humi ko me di me ho asie problem o mu ka kire me no na hami nti na me so yeden me be pie Northern Culture TV so no bia beti asam de me kita me na busum kase nde me pese me kama no asam kakra ama Ghana fu ana di omutu kwan di omu wa abruchire di omu wa hifa no munti no mu hu se ye culture no e wo ho ampa omu si culture ni de wonnim no obi ka kire wo enu na ye culture anase enu na ye den ade bia eye ho ntinde mina na busum kase be pese min di nkomo kakra na nimpati de meka obetia ese wuti na ufongu wasun na ufongu wasunwe mu na wada so na wahu se na bia wo kasa no sa na wenu mati na mudin bebre bende no na bia wo kasa wo Northern Culture Television no ono de wo ya ba kope de nti na mi kasa amanfo obre e wo wiase we na kambe kasa Ghana ko mi wo Ghana bete nye Ghana nkwa promise bebre wo hwa enimpo mo kita promise sa ko na sa promise no mo yemo ewom sisi ano obi betimi adbre no hwe no kwara obehwe no basa no ko school akowie school no ni adwuma bia ye ewo ho eye nimpa bia eha mu enimpa ba na eha mu enimpa bia owo nimpa te se owo nkwala owu nkwala wo pese wudi nkwala no foso ese wotie mi na tidie na busum kase beka ende me na busum kase na me di nkomo na me be di ni se enimpa o mu bre no nkomo na me be di no wunnya nyasa ni a wuntimi ntima ase gisa wodi wutri atofom na wotidie me kana ase me na busum kase ende me pese me mpie na makama no asama kire nimpa ami yi nimpa fire hawmu ami yi nimpa fire ahonkyire mu de nti na mikasa edwuma ye no sunsun dwuma ye no enimpa de ato gyaso na omu de aton ye nton eduro ye titifo no edina mi bono na busum kase no ye fie din obi kase ono na ye na busum kase o ye ntro me na me ye na busum kase ana nya mi na me start na busum kase na ye me na din na megi ba mi ahini na mi din so ewo din foforo ana me dwuma din no ena na busum kase ne nti obi a wo media so anase wo TV so se o ye na busum kase ntro no din de na busum kase really na wo hwe no me piese me be boa oba ne be ma na ewiase oba bubiri wo ho mo wo fie o mo sum ewo loli o mo nkwa na wo ho o mo sum epe be ma o mo ye fe o mo ntimi nye be ma ware ende me pie kakra se me be ka kakra e manimpa no mo nti wo yo ba wo fie a wo ni aware frɛ na busum kase ade a wo benya ware pa wo wiase be sister ebe sisa wo benya ware pa wo be wo akora ho na wo be start bo wo brebo ko wo ni oba a wo wiase we no ebe duru mra bia wo pa wo mpa wo sika wo ni sika wo be bre nti oba bia onim so wo ahonkyire fa be mamu a onfa na busum kase number bia ye 0244551655 wo fa sa number no a nyamitumi nti wo frɛ na busum kase ayade a wo sembe kana na busum kase wo ye be ma na wo na wo pe oba na oba ne mpe anase wo ni oba laki wo pe ba bebia wo po ba bia no a oba ne beduru nche awie no anana no nkomo asesa fa na busum kase number wo fa na busum kase number na wo frɛ mi a mbebo ho ba nyamitumi nti na wo sanko fa ka oba no na wo de akotena fie obi omu ye business wo ton ade na ade no nto a mi wo mpaibo bibra mi de be ma wo nyami ntumiti wo ye sa mpaibo no a na wo kwan abia ma wo ye se mi kuni mpadiska ye se mi ya ade bia emfata ewiase we nu wo ankasa wo hwe mi no wonim de enye na wonim de ye o papa ye mpaibo sa ma wo ho aden na wo so wo ye mpaibo wo nkwala hwe wo obi onim so wa ahunchire on friend na nabosom kasela mi na me na nabosom kasere nde me pese mi mpie na mi yi ahunchire no enfire ne mpaso obi omu wa aburuchire no omu bre wo ho ye nuefo omu wa aburuchire no omu bre ye mbo omu no omu bre fi obi betimi akwa aburuchire 10 years 15 years no ko bresa ska odi beba ana nema odi beba Ghana no oba na small boy no yini kuboto musika no toni japade ne nyina a wo a wotu kwan akobre a wo baba fie na small boy be to wo japade eye hu se mo yiri mo hu de oni pipa o frɛ na Bosom kase a wo benye pipa na wo tana ho de o ho no ya adwuma no nte adwuma ne se anyame ntumite wo frɛ na Bosom kase line obenya obi mu yare yare ene ya because yare na nimpa ba ko ade wi yare a frɛ na Bosom kase line wo nkwala na kwara ne ya ade bia wo mpe a frɛ na Bosom kase line nyame ntuminti ukwara no de wo ka kire ne bia no obeti amawo ewiasu we nu ye won ade different wo ewiasu we obia ni ho a hawo ni no so wo sika hawo so because wo mpese sika ne besa uni sika so hawo so because wo pese wo benye sika nti obia onim se wo opemboa anase ahonkyire wo no so bia no a wo fra na Bosom kase ayade a wo sambeka mboa bia wo pe me na Bosom kase omo sei bosom djuma obi omo sei bosom djuma no omo mpese mo be wura sisia no wo hwe wiaso we no adepa bebia wo adepa wo no obi okokonya adepa no anase obi owura ho na adepa wura ne nsema enya ade obekire ne nyankon se onko ene die nti na bosimfo asem eba saa no asofufo omo na se bosomfo din asofufo no so na omo di bosomfo chi ndemi na mekai obi onim so ya asofo anase obi onim so ya pastor no ndi bosomfo so da on di bosom chen on ko bosom ja da on pie na kase ono da ni ho no so wa kokope mboa wo bosomfo ho opia mi sumbi pie na me na adi nkomo na mi kire no adi kroye obia oni ho oye pastor kase obia ni ho oye osofo kase a onko bosom so da bosom ne na ye culture no ade a mikita wenu che na ye hye but a spiritual one wo sacha wenu enya ade a wo pe ade wo so a wonya wo nkwara wo ho wonim da ahonkyire baba fie wo yirimu wo fie wonim se da ahonkyire baba fie ahonkyire ne den ebia wo kwara yare anajo wonim aduru bia wo de be ma kwara no instantly na yare na ajai anase hospital asemaba gidi wonni sika wo fie sa spiritual distance wo bia nyamintu mitisika bia wo pese wo de be ko hospital sa dana usambeka secret min kana wo TV so anase min kana wo TV so obia wo pese wo hu sa secret no on frɛ na Bosom kase wo frɛ na Bosom kase a wo ba review secret na akira wo ye nimpa wo frɛ na Bosom kase wo komo na be kire se ono ndi nkomo be pese min pese min nkwala be edi nkomo boko wo hwe social media nkwala na omo pie ase omo ye bosomfo omo ye adwuma no omo na se bosom dwuma nti ndemi ka kire nkwala na omo ye sa ade no unim se wonni spirit bia wo be boa nimpa unim se wonni spirit bia wo be boa nimpa empie se wo be se nimpa mudin because wo ye ade ma obi a ade ne nya adwuma wo se nimpa mudin no nde me na Bosom kase na me kasa no ahonkire ni doso ena nimpa kase enimpa kase no da ni ho a ono be so ye wo mpanyumfo wo Ghana ha omu pese ye ndi omuchi na ndi omu nkwala achi wo so wo ko school si omu adan na wo nsore ngina na wapela ki ama ho da kro na wo so wutena te se president no wo start one a wo pese wo ko 100 de na wo ba ya ko 100 no gi se wo sore agina wo nan so wutena fie wutena wo nan so wutena fie na wo ka se me pipe ni se me ban ye president wo ban ye president de na wo di tare ama wo ba no se bibi boni ba enka wo ba no ye wa die bebre wo beba wo kwara ko school na ye sa de na manua school bia wo ko no bia ntimi nko ninim ono na be ko nim saa ko wi school no wo ye panyina wo kwa wo dwuma na wo pese wo posa ye wo se na be ya wo dwuma mu a wo timi wo post ananti e wo dwuma mu nti nde maka kiro otiefo ni nyina obi aka se obosomsom ni ho a onu no ni ho ade bia ni ho a ne din ni ho ena obi obeka asembia no so odonyami anakure ni ho nti na odonyami no anakure ni wo ho a wo ndonyami bia nti me dwuma a me pie se me ya no enye se me be donyami se obi mbra me ncha na me mboa no ma pie eye me ya anipa ba se o mo be ye me interview na ma pie kakra se me be kama no asam kire o mu nti ma no asam a mo be ka no se obi o nyansa onti mi komo no ewiasu wenu wo sika wo bedwini wo ni sika soso a wo bedwini because wo sika wo bedwini se sika no ensa wo ni sika soso a wo bedwini se wo benye sika dwene so wo bia na wa dwene so wo ni bi soso a na wa dwene so fada na bosom kase line enu na 0244551655 wo fa sa number no ana wa frame ya nyami tumiti osamba kade ya wo pe wo ye student ana wo ye adwuma na adwuma no nkonim ana wo tongade na ade na nto ana wo ba na wo pe wo ye bema na wo pe oba ana wo ba no na epe bema ni nyina wo ewiase we no no na ha adwen ya oba ne bema na nyami di create wiase no nti oba ne bema asamti na ye ka oba ne bema asam bebre mi kakakra na ma ba oba ne bema no because oba ne bema na be hia na akwaraba nti obi onim se oni kuno a on frɛ na bosom kase line mba mu sun wo fie ena bema so sun wo fie nti obi onim se wo sa ahunkyire no a on fa na bosom kase number the 0244551655 o fa na bosom kase number wo frɛ na bosom kase ayade a wo sambe ka de wo pɛ no de nti na me ka pastors asam kakra no pastors bibiri apie o mu hu mi contact o mu frɛ mi se o mu pese mi ya adwuma mo wo secret o pese wo be ye bosom dwuma ese wo pie a obi ahun se yes o pemboa wo bosom so ene wo nimpa na o pie se o pesa mboa no no onye nimpa kitua ma wo nsie wo ho mi di nkomo no nde no e bia wo be hu se wo na mi ka no ade bia eboa wo ma fansie wo fansie a wo di ase a wo ye wo nyanko eboni ka kire obi na nimpa no so ko na ne sanka bibi wa wonye bi no won pese obi benya wa wo da no wonim se da che be hawo sore gina de na obe sore gina na fa na bosom kase line sika na wo pe a nyame tumitimi wo sa na me yesika dwuma o pese sika ne mba kakra every Friday bia na wo sanka sika nyame tumitimbe ya ma o pese sika no yen frɛ no once na wo sanka sika kase bia wo mbreda nyame tumitimbe ya ma o pese wo ye adwuma wo ye no na yisika ma nyame tumitimbe ya ma de nti na me kasa nyame tumiti nyame a na obosunsumo no nti me ka bibia se me ka nyame din enka ho ena adwuma me ye no me ka kire otiofo nyame tumiti wo ba me nkyɛn a osamba ka de wo pɛ de nti na me kasa me gimi hudi obi a wo hwɛ me no me na me kasa me gimi hudi because nyame na me start adwuma no me beto adwuma no so ti wo a wo hwɛ me number na 0244551655 ahunkyire ne dɔɔso mintimi ntena ha a me bɛka obi a ahunkyire de wo ne hwie ba wo na wonim de hawo no for me number na frɛ me wo for me number na frɛ me na fa to me numa Udi tu minima mbechira odi obeye na usanka dia ope. We oba na se we bema. Wo Ghana na se wo abruchire. O hia na nabusum kase fa na nabusum kase nomba. E yare dosu e wiase bre bia ye bre ni nyina no wo bibia san. Wo bra na wo kase wa bre, wo bra wo e bre na atwa. Wo sika na wo si wo sika, wo didi sika, wo ye dia wo pe wo sika na asan. Me na me ka kire wo nde. Ye dia wo be ye a obi antwa wo nkwan. Pe bibi enfam gun hu obi antimi ntwa wo nkwan. Wo ye sikani na wo tena wo fi a wo didi wo sika. E wo mre bi a wo didi ebesan. Fa bibi protect wo hu. Upedia wodi be protect wo ho afre na nabosum kase nyami ntumi to odin na namudin e na nyami din e de be boa wo a wodi wo wiase kodoro mre bia wo pese wo bedi wo wiase wo nkora wo fie nkora ne ha adwin wo de omoye na wo mpe fra na nabosum kase e kwan bibre wo ho a me be kira wo na wo mba bia wo se na wo pese wo mma bia kwa sa na wo be kwa ma obi betimi asise obi shebre ede na ye shebre ebi omuma okofi anase okosi obi betimi aweko no mo ayidin no wo date no efiro so obi abre esuro ekofom ana bre from ekosoro osanka dia wo pe because edina wo di pesika no enye sa adin na okita no mo ayi afiro so nti wuye bibia wo nti asiye obi betimi akita sika no ho dia wo di sika na beye na sika na akọ obi betimi aye adwuma onima adwuma no dia oye no mo ayi na afire adwuma mu obi betimi aye ko school akọ wie university no tenafie no ni adwuma ye we enye obi na ji osunsun obi na ji wo bibi enye mi na ye fana na busum kase namba na friend na busum kase ope adwuma wo benya adwuma ope sika soso a wo benye sika ware na ope a wo benya unya ware a wonni akwara soso a akwara no na ye beginning of wealth uba nyamintumiti mbema wanya wo ba atena wo nan so wo ye bema a wodi wiase na wonni oba untimi wo nkwala na ye wiase wo sika kura na wonni nkwara no a wo sika ye kwa beko wo animpa na ye bedi sika no wo so wonni nimpa bi obedi nti wonim se wo ya ware a wonni akwara anase wo ware a wo yiri no onya wo ye frena na busum kase line ye wo duro bi a ye di be ma wo nyamintumiti na wanya akwara tena wo nan so sa nkomo na ye di no obi mu bebre anka betanu na ye akomo pa se ye di Emma manfo ati because omo wo na wo betena ho no wo so wo mpese wo be wo obi ti wo sa problem no frena na busum kase number usamba ka dia open no. Today I'm coming out to talk to people that they are suffering. When you are in America, when you are in London, when you are in Ghana, make sure that you get Nana Busum Kase number. When you get Nana Busum Kase number, your problem will solve. What problem that you have? We have a lot of people problems that they can't talk to somebody. But if you get that secret problem, the problem that you can't tell your brother, the problem that you can't tell your wife, the problem that you can't tell your mother, tell Nana Busum Kase, that problem will solve. Not my capacity, including of God's. They will help you to get what you want. You want school to go. You want people to sit outside. Call Nana Busum Kase. When you call Nana Busum Kase, I have many things to give you. That you need something with somebody, you will get it. When you come there, you need lucky. Lucky, when you get lucky, if somebody like you, when you need money with the person, you will get it. If somebody like you, when you need work with the person, you will get it. If somebody like you, anything you want with that person, you will get it. So I have many ways you to get money. When you sit one place, you sit in trust for yourself. When you take Nana Busum Kase number, you call Nana Busum Kase, that number be 0244 551655. When you call me and you put your problem for me, I will tell you what you do to solve your problem. So today I come out to explain small to people to hear what I'm saying today. If you hear me and you have question to ask, take my number and ask me the question. Maybe you don't know, I will show you to know. Try all your best. The person that see me, try all your best to take my number. Any problem that you have, call Nana Busum Kase. You will get solution on it. You see people, to sit interest on people. What I'm saying, to sit people's interest on people, you will follow somebody because of money. The person can feel help you to get money, but the person no help you. Ask yourself why. When you take my number, explain your problem for me. I will show you way that you get money past that person. Every person, God not create anybody to come to suffer. If you will find something for yourself to suffer this world, ask me why. If you did this world and you didn't get linked with big people, you can't get money. And you get linked with big people, you can fall down. Ask me why. They can use you until your life ends. So when you know that you get linked with big people that you didn't get money from them, call Nana Busum Kase. I will show you a way that you will follow and get money from them. Because you too, you want to create family and you follow somebody. So now when you get family, who will take care of the family? If somebody take care of you and take care of your family, which is not good, you have to take care of your wealth, your pickings, so that they will know that their father be good father. But if you follow somebody where you don't get anything from the person, how you will go and take care of with your children? I'm asking you. You are in the work. You are working so many years. But when you sit down and you think, the work that you are working maybe 2, 3 years, 5 years, how many benefits you get on it? I'm telling you today, maybe you get money. You didn't know how you take the money to do. You didn't know what you buy and the money end, the money finish. When you call me, I will show you road that you will pass. Your small thing all will stand for you. You won't suffer for your life again. I am not a God, but I know how to show you the road that you will pass. And you have something for yourself. I tell Lucky Matter, what is lucky? Maybe somebody like your matter. So try all your best. When you didn't have money to do rituals of money, when you didn't have money to do instant money, but you will have money to do lucky. If somebody like you, he like you forever. Anything you want, you will get it from the person. So I'm telling you people today, when you are a woman, you have to find lucky for yourself. When you are a man, you have to find lucky for yourself. Because when you have lucky with people, you won't suffer in this world. If you see some woman, it's not fine, but anything you want, you get it. And many women are there. They facing many problems. Because of what? Some woman will tell you that, Nana, yesterday I'm sleeping and I dream I'm sleeping with men. But I'm not sleeping with men. I see the person with my dream. It's not nothing. Somebody, you won't see somebody with your dream sleeping with you and you have something and the thing will stand for you. Because you are two now. But you don't see other person, your partner, that will take you sleeping the night. So if you have money, you will come out the money some. But you can't know. If you know you face that problem, call Nana Busum Kase. I will do everything for you. You won't see that thing again. And those who are married, and they have problem with their marriage. Call me. I'll stop everything. You to sit on your marriage and enjoy it. So I'm telling people today, if you are needing work, you sick, you have money, you don't have money, you need Nana Bosom Kase. So I'm telling you people to take my number. When you take my number, 0244 551655, call me. The problem that you have, I will solve it by the grace of Allah. I will solve it by the grace of God. Take my number, the problem you have, and you call me. You will get solution on it. This world, when you sit one place and you say that you have problem, the problem will add. I'm telling you, the problem will add. I travel, go many countries. I see. You say white people get money. How white people get money? We get money more than them. But they know what they are doing. That's why they get money more than we people. More than we blacks. So why you get money for your hometown? You suffer, go someplace to suffer. Somebody they no get paper. But if you do your hometown, you sit comfortable. You sit your home. But you can't sit your home because of money. You travel, go someplace. And the place you go, you hide yourself. So that's why I'm out to talk to my brothers that they are outside. When you get my contact, call me. Put your problem for me. I will help you to solve that problem. I'm now telling people, this world, when you make yourself low, you are a low, you will be a low. When you make yourself big, you will be big forever. So call me when you want to live big, you will live big. When you want to live low, you will live low. Because, what am I telling you this? If you born 2 children, and the other one saying he wants security, it will be a security. And if other one say he want president, maybe it will be a president. Everything choose beginning. Everything, they choose beginning. So when you choose low, you will be a low. When you choose big, you will be a big. So if you have problem and you still with that problem, you will die with that problem. Tell your problem to Nana Bosom Kase. Nana Bosom Kase will solve your problem for you. You have money problem, you have marriage problem, you have work problem, any problem that you have, they will get many sickness. When you didn't get money, be sickness. When you get money to be sickness, how can I tell this? Because when you have money, you want to get more. When you didn't have money, you want to get some. So when you didn't have money and you want to get some, call Nana Bosom Kase, you will get some. When you have money and you didn't want the money to finish, call Nana Bosom Kase, the money will not finish. You will get more than how you have. And then enemies, everybody get enemy. So I'm taking this one last to you people to hear what I'm saying. Everybody get enemy. When you come to my place, I have something to buff you, your enemies. Everybody will like you. And if somebody like you, the person will go do bad to you. So I have many ways to help people. Your website, your money side, your picking side, your website, any problem you have, call Nana Bosom Kase. 0244 551655 0244 551655. I will stand here and greet everybody. Those who are watching me, when you call me, fine. When you didn't call me too, fine. Because I'm here for everybody. This is warning that I'm giving people. When you have problem, don't hide yourself. Don't hide your problem. You will die with the problem. Bye-bye.